Hello guys, today we are going to be reacting to Damn Nature, You Scary! Okay, here we go. Whoa! 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 What is wrong with that bull, man? Or is that a bison? I don't know. Oh, there's even some people outside. Oh, they're dead. Oh! Ew! Ew! What is it? Is that an eel? That's an eel! Oh my god! Oh, even a duck! Oh my god! What is a bear doing out here in the Antarctica or what? Okay, here's an elephant. Oh my god! That was crazy, man. Oh, run! Right! Dude, that's a hammerhead shark! That's a hammerhead shark, boy! Run! Run!
Oh my god.
Oh, thankfully. The hammerhead shark ran away. What is that? Is that a horse? Oh my god, the horse! Just kicked him, man! Oh no, I've seen this clip. This clip is dangerous. Oh no. Oh. Oh no, here we go again. That was that last clip was the magpie. And it's actually the second most dangerous bird on the planet. Hell, you're touching that thing! Oh my god. Oh. Crawfish, what is that? Keep it even, okay. Oh my god, that was an alligator. That was a gator, baby. See you later, alligator. Oh. What is that? Is that a trout? Oh my god! Oh, don't mess with monkeys, bro. Don't mess with monkeys, I said! Oh no, something bad is about to happen to that little baby. Oh, thankfully they picked him up. What? An animal is coming through? Oh, it's a snake! That's a snake! It just a second to the BG. What is it? Oh, another trout. Oh. What is that?
Gotta be careful here.
Oh, that's another alligator. What is up with all these alligators? What is up with all these alligators? Run, 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 bro, run! Run for your life. It's right there.
Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing.
Yep, it is the end for your tarpon fishing. Bro, run. Oh, another elephant. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Oh my god, he just attacked the cameraman, or the boat the cameraman was on. I don't know. Oh, a lion. Oh my god. Oh my god.
3 years have passed since the beginning.
Okay. Let's just pretend we didn't see that ad earlier. What's gonna happen here? What is that? That's a baby! Or alligator or a crocodile. I don't know. Maybe it's a baby crocodile. Or a crocodigator. Oh, it's a moose. Bro, run! Bro, run, bro! Run! Oh my god! You see? Okay, mooses are actually one of the most feared animals in Canada. Oh, the other guy's horse is not happy. Oh my god. Oh my god. That almost got me.
Big stick or something.
Oh. Big stick, what is it? Big stick.
It's heavy, whatever it is.
It's heavy, whatever it is. Is it a shark or an alligator or a crocodile?
It's not a stick.
It's a crocodile.
My God, that's not a stick at all.
Yep, you've been wronged. That's not a stick.
Holy
That's a log.
holy. Oh my Lord, holy moly.
Oh my god.
Wow, that changes things.
Bro really thought that was a stick. It was actually a crocodile. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, it's a black bear. Oh, you gotta fight back, bro. Fight back, fight back. It's a black bear. Oh my god, fight back, fight back. Oh, what was that? I actually wasn't looking. Oh, it's an octopus. It's an octopus. Oh, it was an octopus. Oh, and it is eating crab. What's gonna happen to that poor crab? Oh, I think it already got eaten. Yep, it got eaten.
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going
What
away.
is that? What is that?
I promise
What is that?
I'm not gonna bug you.
Wait,
I'm not gonna
that's a
bug you.
leopard.
I'm going
That's a leopard, or jaguar, or cheetah. Run!
away. I'm going away.
Run, but
I'm
run!
not gonna bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going
Wait a minute.
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
I don't know what that is, whatever it is. Oh, giraffe. Oh my god! Slapped you with its big brain. Okay, enough with these alligators. They always freak me the hell out. And bears
I'm
also.
walking backwards on the trail back to the camp. I'm walking down the trail, and Mom and two cubs.
Bears, bro.
So I am continually
Oh my
to
god.
walk backwards.
Nah, bro, do not touch her babies.
The mom and the cubs
Nope, do not touch her cubs. How long is this
are
video?
walking at least as
It's
fast as I am.
it's 8:44. 8:44. Okay, I think that was a tuna. Oh, what is that bird doing in the water? Okay. Ew! Ew! What is that? Is that a leech? Oh, what was that? Was that a cub? I don't know what that is, but run! Wait. I don't know what that is. Wait, that's a puma. Wait, no, that's not a puma. Pumas have short tails.
Go away.
I don't know what that is, bro.
No.
What is that? Why is it running like that?
Dude.
Run, run. Well, you're dead. You're dead. You're dead. And that is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I love ya. Goodbye.